everyone. I'm Jack, Kuan. Before we know it, it's the 8th episode of our pinyin series. So far, we learned all 23 initial consonants and 6 simple final vowels. It's quite an accomplishment. Shall we take a little time to review? Maybe some other time, but we'll review the simple vowels, which are a, o, e, u, y. We're about to start a new journey today. The final goal is to learn all the compound vowels and nasal vowels in pinyin. Remember in the first and second episodes, I mentioned that initial consonant babies can be matched with different mommy vowel combos. Yeah, now it's time to study. My father and I have been thinking about how to start these lessons for a long time. Perhaps the best way is to start with the compound vowels. Compound vowel is the combination of 2 or 3 simple vowels. There are 13 different compound vowels, and I'm gonna introduce them in 4 different episodes. Today, we'll start with 3 of them. They are I, ow, ya. Are you ready? Let's do it.
First, let's learn how to pronounce I. I is a compound vowel composed of a a and e, pronounced as I. Again, a, e, I. A, e, I. The 4 tones are I, 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 I. I is a meaningful syllable. Let's learn a Chinese character that is pronounced as I first. I. Love. I. Love. Next, we'll learn how to pronounce ow. Ow is a compound vowel composed of a and o, pronounced as ow. Again, a, o, ow, a, o, ow. The 4 tones are ow, 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 ow. Ow is also a meaningful syllable. I pick 2 Chinese characters pronounced as ow to show you. Ow, ow, simmer. Ow, ow, simmer. 澳洲 Australia 澳洲 Australia. Finally, we'll learn how to pronounce ya. Ya is a compound vowel composed of e and a, pronounced ya. Again, e, a, ya, e, a, ya. The four tones are ya, 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 ya.
Ya itself is not a meaningful syllable. This mommy vowel combo needs a consonant baby to make sense. Okay. I, ow, ya are the three compound vowels we've learned today. However, it will be a shame to end today's lesson this way. Why don't we use some consonant babies to match with them, so that we can do more practice and also review consonant babies at the same time? Kill two birds with one stone. Okay, let's do it.
Buy, white, buying, white cloud, buying, white cloud, buy, 100, buy, 100,猜, 菜 vegetable 菜 vegetable 采 to pick 采花 pick flowers tie台风 hurricane 台风 hurricane 台风 太阳 sun 太阳 sun 凹刀 knife 刀刀 knife knife 岛岛 island 岛岛 island 吃凹超吃凹超潮潮 nest 潮潮 nest 炒炒 pan fry 炒炒 pan fry 猫凹猫猫凹猫猫猫 cat 猫猫 cat 毛毛羽毛 feather 毛羽毛 feather 鸭鸡鸭家鸡鸭家家家 home 家家 home 甲甲 shell 甲龟甲 turtle shell 鸭虾鸭虾虾虾 shrimp 虾虾 shrimp 下下 down 下坐下 sit down 坐下 sit down
Subscribe. Give me a boost. Okay. This is the end of our lesson. Hope you all like it. See you next time. Bye.